R-Flex is a fast-acting, highly durable, and flexible polymer that has excellent adhesion to SBR conveyor belts. Reduce repair time and downtime. Keep belts running longer when repaired with R-Flex. Before getting started, safety first. Wear the right PPE. Safety glasses and gloves are a must. Second, ensure the belt is in level position. The repair work will be much easier. The first step is surface preparation of the belt and clips. This is essential to achieving a good bond and required for new belts and those already in service. Clean the belt and clips from any contaminants. Use a clean rag wetted with isopropanol to remove remaining debris. Next, abrade the belt 5 to 6 inches back from the clips with a grinder. This will reveal fresh belt and obtain a rough surface. Next, abrade the clips using a wire brush. Ensure all rust is removed to reveal a roughened metal surface. Use a clean rag wetted with isopropanol to remove remaining debris. Now the belt is ready for repair. Shake the primer thoroughly. Use a small brush and apply the first coat to all metal surfaces. Note the light blue, translucent color that remains on the clip. After 10 minutes, the surface should be dry to the touch. Apply a second coat. Let it dry. Prime the belt with Devcon Surface Conditioner. This conditioner helps R-Flex adhere to the belt. Note the yellow day glow color, which shows in darkness or in direct light to help ensure full coverage of the repair area. Check to be sure a thin, clear plastic film does not remain as a seal even after the foil is removed. Mix Part B liquid with Part A. Shake for 30 seconds so the product dissolves completely. Apply the solution onto the belt by pressing the dauber into the belt to release the liquid. Uniformly spread across the entire surface. The surface is now primed and prepped. Apply duct tape to the underside of the metal clip area to prevent R-Flex from leaking through. For a hinge pin clip system, apply a narrow piece of tape on the top side to prevent R-Flex from seeping through and hindering joint flexibility when in service. Now it's time to mix the resin and hardener. Open the pouch of hardener. Pour into the resin container. Begin mixing slowly to avoid any product spillover. The mixing action initiates the chemical reaction. Note the color has changed to black. R-Flex has a low initial viscosity. Mix thoroughly for 2 minutes. We are now ready to pour. Pour R-Flex first over the center of the clip and allow it to build height. This prevents any trapped air and ensures a smooth finish. R-Flex is a low viscosity product that will self-level. Where needed, use the plastic spreader to extend coverage 5 to 6 inches on either side of the clip. R-Flex is applied at a thickness of 1/8 inch over the clips. At the outermost leading and trailing edges, the plastic spreader can be used to create a fine taper, which will not interfere with the belt scraper system. R-Flex has a cure time of 90 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes, the material will thicken. After 8 to 10 minutes, remove the duct tape along the side edges. The repair is complete. Turn the belt on. It is now ready for operation.